another beautiful day here in Valencia, and today is going to be a much more easygoing day.
So we are going to the beach and later we are going to the match.
So that's going to be really cool, so let's go to the beach.
To stay, my love, but that's another day. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and up.
So right now, where are we?
At the beach.
And it looks
Amazing.
so right now we're gonna be heading to somewhere there to find a spot for ourselves to stay. But it feels like it's hot, but it's not burning, which is nice.
Because it's windy.
Yeah, it's kind of windy, but also I think it maybe we're just getting used to it.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna be heading somewhere right there to get a spot closer to the water, because right now we're pretty much like outside. Like we see the water really far away there. So yeah, let's go.
Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies.
Okay, it's really shallow here. We're so far away, and look at that fish right there. And it's so shallow, and it's really cool. Really hot water. Like this is warm water, and it's so shallow. Look, people are standing there. I'm sitting right now, right here. Oh my god! So this is the DJI Osmo Action test. It's really windy, really freaking watery, amazing hot. Hopefully you can hear me at least a little bit. Woo! Right there. Very great. And except you have waves, and it's very shallow here. Like I'm sitting right now, and we're like way off.
Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
So after a quick power nap and getting from the beach and taking a shower, and as you can see we are a little bit red. If I give it a little bit more ISO, you can see we're a little bit red, but it's very cool. And anyway, where are we heading to?
We are going to the match.
Yeah, we're going to the Met, but first we have to get something to eat,
Yeah.
which is gonna be harder. And then once we get to eat, we're gonna go to the match. First time going to the stadium. Should be fun. Let's go. Where are you going?
Match.
First time. Should be nice. Valencia versus Inter Milan. Should be really cool. We're gonna be really high, which that will really be cool too, right?
Yes.
I wonder if we're gonna actually see the match though, because we're gonna be so far.
Hopefully.
Yeah, but anyway, it should be a nice experience. I've never been to a big proper stadium. I've never been to a stadium outside of pretty much Wisła Kraków, so yeah.
And we paid 12 euros for tickets.
Yeah, so 12 should be nice. We're almost there, almost at the stadium, and then we're gonna have to go for like 10 minutes upstairs because we're at the very top. Should be fun.
Yay.
It was time for the friendly match between Valencia and Inter Milan at the Estadio de Mestalla, the home stadium of Valencia. So we are back home from the match, and the first thing I wanted to ask is, how did you like it? It was her first match ever, first time being in a huge stadium.
It was amazing experience for me. It was my first match ever, and the whole experience,
Atmosphere.
fans, the whole
The wave.
Mexican wave. It was great.
You had fun?
Yeah, and we sat very high.
Yeah, we sat very high, it was very steep.
Yeah, so that was another perspective.
Yeah, looking down at the field. You were not looking straight, you were more looking like down.
Yeah,
at the
you
field.
saw the whole tactic.
Yeah, you could, from tactical, if you know me, I am coming from a soccer, football background. So for me, watching this match like this was really cool, seeing like all the lines, all the tactical stuff, which is really cool. And I think even for someone like you that is watching for the game, it's really cool to like you see everything from a little bit more of a top side.
Yeah, and the time went by really fast.
Yeah, even for me, because the way I think about soccer is really tactical, it seems to drag out a lot. Only if I am the one playing, it's gonna be faster. But this time it really felt like it went like boom, so fast, really cool, and it was really nice. And we were so high. We were looking at the buildings on the other side of the road, and they were like smaller than us. So we've been really high. The only downside to this is you probably haven't noticed that there was no footage from this camera, from this microphone, only from phones. And the thing is, we had both of our cameras in my backpack, and I had the microphone, the Joby Gorilla Pod, and the G9 in my backpack. And when they were checking us into the stadium, they said we can't take them because they're professional cameras and professional microphone and such and such. And they said we can only take our wallets, phones, and go inside, and we have to leave our backpack behind. The thing that really made me mad is the day we were getting the tickets, I specifically asked at the ticket if we can take the camera with us, because for us it would be no problem to leave them home, right? You even said this. If they would tell us beforehand, we would just leave our cameras at home, not drag them, because my back is burned, and having the backpack is not something very cool. So having it for so long with us and then having to leave it there, and we were a little bit like skeptical because they're taking your backpack like away from you and you don't know where they're gonna put it. It's not really cool. And the way they were handling this, almost like throwing your backpack, like opening it up, closing it up, I wasn't really a fan of that. Didn't really like it, didn't enjoy it. And like I said, because we asked beforehand, we thought we were gonna take the cameras with us, take photos, take videos, but they said you can't, and like I said, we asked before. But that's how it went, which was something that made me a little bit mad. But anyway, the experience as a whole, I think, was really nice. Like if we take that apart, like that part away, it was really nice. I saw her smiling a lot, she was very happy. We did the Mexican wave a couple times, it was really nice. So that's gonna be it for today. A little bit more of an easygoing day. Beach, and then a match, and a little nap in between. Really easy day, and it's like 1 a.m. already, so we have to get going to sleep because tomorrow is another day here in Valencia. So that's gonna be it for today. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like,
Comment,
and subscribe. We hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and we will see you next time.